Are you tired of scrolling through endless job listings with no luck? Do you want to start earning money from the comfort of your own home? Online surveys are a great option for those looking to make a quick and easy income. With just a few clicks, you can start earning money in minutes by providing your opinions and feedback on a variety of products and services. Find a reputable survey site, such as Survey Junkie or Swagbucks, to sign up for. Create a profile that includes information about your demographic and interests, so that you can receive surveys that are relevant to you. Complete surveys, start completing surveys and earning points or cash for each one that you complete. Cash out, once you reach the minimum threshold for cash out, you can transfer your earnings to your PayPal account or receive a gift card. Be honest when answering survey questions, as this will help ensure that you receive more surveys in the future. Stay active by regularly checking your survey site and completing new surveys as they become available. Don't limit yourself to just one survey site, sign up for multiple sites to increase your earning potential. In conclusion, online surveys are a great way to start earning money online in minutes. By finding a reputable survey site, being honest in your responses, and staying active, you can start earning extra cash in no time. So why wait? Sign up for a survey site today and start earning money on your own terms.